Howdy, I'm Dave Ockley, and I'm doing a little video here for Girls Angle, addressing something that caught my interest about math when I was young. When I was young, I had an uncle, Uncle Dick, who showed me a trick for multiplying numbers together quickly, and I'd like to share it with you. And so I think a good way to do it is just to do a couple of problems. Does anybody have a couple of two-digit numbers that we can multiply together?
What's 72 times 78?
So if you take 72 times 78, that's going to turn into 5616. So another multiplication problem.
What's 65 times 65?
65 times 65 is 4225. So how does this work? Well, what we did here is we actually took this number times one number bigger, so 6 times 7 is 42. And then we took 5 times 5 is 25. So 65 times 65 is 4225. If we do the same thing here, 7 times, 8 is 56. And 2 times 8 is 16, so this turns into 5616. Let's try one more. So 47 times 43. So there's actually a caveat here. These two numbers have to add up to 10 to make this trick work. So doing that, you get 4 times 5, which is 20, and then 21. So that's how. The question is why? So to see why, we just need to see why this works. So to see why this trick works, we'll just use one little piece. It's a piece that says if you have 3 times 2 plus 3 times 3, well, the 2 plus 3 is 5. I can put it across there. It doesn't matter if you add first and then multiply, or whether you multiply in pieces and then add. And we're going to do this trick in both directions, going from the right over to the left. We split 40 plus 7 times that is 40 groups of this plus 7 groups of that. And then we do the trick again on this piece and again on that far piece. And then we do the trick in reverse. And in the two pieces in the middle, 3 40s and 7 40s turn into 10 40s. Then on the left-hand side, 40 40s and 10 40s turn into 50 40s. 50 40s and plus the 7 times 3, that's 5 times 4, 20, 21. There's other tricks that are similar. I will leave it for you to figure out why 63 times 57 and under what conditions. This is 6 squared, 3600 minus 3 squared minus 9. And then more information you can find, for example, in text like